Hello everybody, I'm going to talk about why Buffett's buying gold, but not the gold that you're thinking of, not this gold, or this gold, or this gold. We're going to be talking about Barrick Gold Company. This is a mining company. Buffett is getting into the mining atmosphere. So why is he getting into mining? I'm going to explain that in 3 reasons why he's getting into this company and why it's because of gold. And if you guys make it to the end of the video, there's a bonus. So please make it to the end of the video. You'll be very surprised on what I'm giving out. Let's jump right into it. So my name is AndreJMcClendon. This channel is about business, trading, and money, and also investing. So please check it out. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment to get all my updates and what I've been talking about on my investments. So let's get into it. So I got this notification basically from Mcclendon. He tweeted that Warren Buffett's getting into Barrick Gold, and I'm like, what? This is huge news. Huge investor, one of the most known investor out there, is getting into gold. Let's check that out. So here's number 1 reason. That's how I get the notification. Here's the number 1 reason, right? Right now, you got this mining company. Mining companies have been doing very, very, very good. So let's check out why Barrick Gold Company. Because Barrick Gold Company right now has an earnings per share of 2.5. That is really, really good comparing to its current price. It's about 10%. Right now, it gives out a quarterly dividend of 1.18%. Now, if you guys are getting into stocks, ETFs, any type of company that's giving out a monthly, quarterly, yearly payout, it definitely changes how you invest, because that cash flow can definitely help out you getting rebuys or getting re-involved into other companies or more into this one. Its PE ratio is below 20, which is a very key point for myself and also other investors, and it's at 10. So you're talking about it's an average company. It's a little undervalued, so that's really good. But we're going to be talking about a little bit more of what value we're talking about when it comes to the charts. So here is a breakdown of some of the quarterly payments that's been happening for it. Here is a chart. So what I believe is that Warren Buffett obviously got into gold company, but his buying point was probably a whole lot earlier than this. I don't know where exactly in, but I know it's not the current price. But it's a whole lot cheaper. So number 2 reason why he's getting into this company. For us, the stacker, the gold bug, the dollar doomer, and myself, we bought in this blue box over here. We had to wait for such long time to get some gains and this massive movement to happen, but it's because institutions got into it. One of the main reasons I think why Buffett's getting into it, because large institutions are buying into gold, and this leg is not over. This is going to be a massive movement. So gold measured in dollars is not done with. Big institutions getting into it. So this is a big reason why Buffett's going to it. 3rd reason, and this is probably one of the most important reasons why Buffett's getting into it. If you guys watch this video,
then, well, they were going to be negative for a long time. You better own equities, or you better own something other than debt. I mean, it's remarkable what's happened in the last 10 years. I've been wrong in thinking that you could.
So if you guys watch this, he's talking about owning equities. He goes more into about anything outside the dollar. This is crazy because the dollar is the world currency, but it's not going to be there forever. So let's check out some things about the dollar. All right, so here's the Fed's balance sheet versus gold. Now remember, this is not Warren Buffett's first time jumping into the precious metal world. In the 90s, he got into silver. That's crazy. It was huge movements for him. And when it comes to gold right now, since the coronavirus is not the reason why. It's a prick that popped the bubble. If you look at this right here, you can tell that the Fed has been doing massive buying, and their balance sheet has been exploding, and gold is slowly creeping up, trying to catch up to it. So we'll check out the last 5 years, how it looks a little bit closer, and you can tell that it has been doing massive gains. So for us guys, for stackers into the precious metal world or into the stock market, like into the mining shares and stuff like that, this is a really big bull for us. And economic stimulus. This has been happening like crazy. People getting checks. That means our debt is absolutely exploding. Another reason why dollar out of dollar get into stocks. So they're talking about this one. This is from debt.org, that the next round of stimulus is going to be about $3.4 trillion. Maybe, maybe not, but we're talking about trillions. This is a huge amount. Also, that the dollar has been trending down in the last few months. So dollar trending down, massive amount of debt. You guys get in the picture. Here's from the Fred Economic Research. From 1913, it's showing you that the dollar has been losing purchasing power just losing purchasing power for the U.S. average. So you guys can check this out. I'll have this link below. Please check that out. It's very important. Now we're on usdebtclock.org. Now our United States debt basically goes up 100,000 every 1.5 seconds. That is absolutely insane. Our debt is absolutely uncontrollable. These leaders are supposed to be responsible, but they're not responsible. They're actually destroying our purchasing power. Also, we're looking at the United States, China, Japan, Germany. This is the world debt clock. All these debts are exploding, and it's just hard to manage. It's hard to even see what's happening, because this is going to have to be paid on the backs of the average American, because a lot of people don't have assets. They're stuck to their 9 to 5, so the purchase power is dwindling. But guys, this is that bonus I was talking to you guys about. So here it is. We're on my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. I will be doing free consultations and free help and some advice what I'm doing about some of these trading and investing outside my YouTube channel. If you guys want some one-on-one time about that, please DM me on Facebook, Instagram, or book a meeting right here. But besides that, if you guys want to find out more about gold and silver, click gold and silver at the top. Go here, create a free account, and here's all that information that I gave to you guys in the video, all right here. So guys, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Please get this out there. I'm happy you guys made it to the end of the video. If you like what you see, subscribe. All right guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for making it. Deuces.